Self-assembling blocks are a series of small cubes with no moving parts that jump on one top of each other using internal flywheels and snap together to form arbitrary shapes. One of the main directions of research and development in this field is focused on creating modular robots which can change their geometry according to a defined task, opposed to a traditional robot which is designed for a single task with a fixed structure. Another research focus is to shrink these blocks down to the nanoscale, where millions of them can be stored and poured out of a can and assemble themselves into anything you wish. MIT labs are currently building an army of 100 cubes which can be scattered randomly and built into basic structures.